This 2020 Heartland Bighorn Traveler 39FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mims, Florida, 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.